In this training module, you'll be learning how to drive this DB BR101 electric locomotive. This locomotive requires the reverser handle to be inserted before operation. Set the reverser to neutral while we set up this cab. Set the headlights to indicate that this train is operational.
Steuerung, Steuerung.
Unlock the brakes with the brake key to allow braking to be controlled from this cab. For this introduction, you'll be driving the train a short distance and performing passenger operations. Open the passenger doors to allow boarding.
Steuerung, Steuerung, Steuerung.
Close the doors before departure. The train is now ready to depart. Set the reverser to forward. This controls the direction of travel.
Steuerung, Steuerung, Steuerung.
Release the brakes and prepare to depart station. Power in this locomotive is controlled by a throttle that sets the tractive effort target.
Steuerung, Steuerung, Steuerung.
To begin coasting, move the throttle to the off position. This will stop any power being applied. Coasting is a method used to efficiently maintain speed and reduce motor stress and maintenance requirements. Keeping to speed limits is important. If you begin overspeeding, apply a small amount of braking force by moving the brakes into the braking range. approaching the station, begin applying a small amount of braking force by moving the brakes into the braking range.
Störung, Türfreigabe, Türfreigabe, Türfreigabe.
Nice job. The train has safely come to a stop. You can now open the doors.
Störung, Störung, Störung.
Good work. That concludes all the basics of operating this train.
Schließvorgang eingeleitet.